Good morning everyone! So samahan niyo ako ngayon mag-unbox ng new contract consideration ko for next school year. So I'm very happy kasi kanina dineliver ng superintendent ko yung new contract consideration for next school year. So ito ay letter na nagsasabi na bibigyan ako or kinukonsider ako na bigyan for contract for next school year 2024-2025. So yung contract kasi mabibigay lang yon after approval. So kung ito ay March 19 ito, pag-uusapan natin i-approve yung mga new contracts, ibibigay lang sa amin yon after that board meeting. So I'm very happy dahil na-consider ulit ako for new contract sa susunod na school year. And then kahapon, I just want to share, natapos na rin yung aking post-con ng last formal evaluation ko for this school year. So naging maayos naman, contented naman ako doon sa rating na nabigay. So yun lang, kayo ba? Comment down if nabigyan na rin kayo ng contract or consideration for next school year.